Hi, and welcome to Part 1 of the Community College of Baltimore County CCBC Promotion Manual e-binder. In the start, in order to get working on your promotion materials in this tool, first thing you will need to do is you will need to create a username and a password. If you don't already have one, don't confuse your CCBC credentials with the one that you need here. This one is completely unique. So please go to Register, where you will actually click in Register and you'll have a Use Register Access form. And in this access form, it is really important that you fill in all of the fields in addition to what's required. The required fields on the editing part of the promotion manual, once you're inside the tool, you cannot change these fields. You can only change the ones that are not mandatory. So once you create your password, you are going to want to make sure you store it and save it for future sign-ins, and make sure you write it down so you don't lose it. So the next part is put in your username, your first name. You'll see there are a few drop downs in here so that you can pick your surname and then your school. Whether you're an instructor going for assistant, or whether you're going for assistant going for associate, you do need to set these. The importance of setting these, what you set as your current rank, takes a look at your eligibility. So having this information is really important for eligibility, which could actually preset going for associate. But what I did was I made sure that if you put in associate, that the manual will be set to the rank that you are seeking. All the rest of this information is just to validate and verify information to make sure it is correct on your documentation. And when you're finished with this, you will simply just type in the code 1, 2, 3, 4 and submit, register. If it is all successful and nothing's been missing from this field, what you will find is that you'll get an email that lets you know that you are in, and it'll give you a message that says you are ready to sign in. Once that happens, you may go to the login menu, put your login credentials that you created into these fields, and log on. For instance, I'm going to type in here assistant and assistant. So this is Mr. Assistant, which was a test case that I created. I click login, and now it works. So once you see that menu pop up there, you now are in the site. You will notice now that you have instructions, edit manual, and manual print view. So thank you, and the next step we're going to be going to is downloading and unzipping files for storage, which I have right here, but we're going to go through that next.